Sarangani naman ito. Tulong-tulong. Mga bigas. Nailingap sa mamamayan. Yan po yung programa ng Iglesia ni Cristo sa pagtulong po sa mga kababayan natin at sa mga kapwa-tao na nangangailangan. O, isa pa, assistance which has earthquake-affected families in Sarangani province following the magnitude 7.8 earthquake that affected parts of Mindanao, including Sarangani province. Many families from coastal areas were displaced and are currently staying at the Maasim Sarangani Evacuation Center. Residents continue to cope with disrupted routines, uncertainty, and ongoing challenges brought by the disaster. Looking up sa mamamayan activity conducted in Sarangani province, the Church of Christ, in cooperation with the Criminal Foundation Inc., provided care packages containing essential supplies to evacuees. The assistance was extended to help ease their immediate needs as they